Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, what I am going to share to you, I would be revealing some bags in my collection that I really do love so much, and thus I have named them. It's like me as their mom giving birth to these beautiful babies and giving beautiful names so that, I would always be reminded of the certain emotions and feeling when I had this bag in my collection. Hi guys, Ron here, Talking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Guys, I'm asking for your help to help you reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subs. This year, I would really appreciate it. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at RamiraFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, the way that we are going to do this is I'm going to share to you the bags that I have named in my collection, and I would be doing them in chronological order. Also guys, I would want to start this tag video. I would be tagging your names on the description box below. I would want to hear from you guys, even for everyone here. This is an open invitation. If you have any bags in my collection, to our subbies here, to our fam, if you have named your bags in your collection, kindly comment down below, or if you could do this tag video, the better. Alright, so let us begin. So the very first bag that I have named in my collection, do you have any guesses? Let me just get her. It is my very first Chanel flap bag, and the name of this one is Chanel number 1. Yes, so actually, this Chanel number 1, others may say that it is not really a name. And for me, the reason why I have named her Chanel number 1 is, of course, number 1, for the same reason, is because this is my very first Chanel bag in my collection. And if you are familiar with the series where there are like these girls, these characters at the school, and their names, their code names are like Chanel number 1, number 2, that's Ariana Grande, the number 3, Chanel number 4, and Chanel number 5. So I'm naming her Chanel number 1 because I felt that she is the queen of my Chanel bag in my collection. What do you think of the name of my Chanel number 1? Do you think it is fitting with the name? So this is the very first bag in my collection, guys, that I have named under my bag collection. Alright, so the second bag in my collection that I have named, so this one, she is right beside me. If I could just get her, of course, it is my Louis Vuitton Alma BB, my LV World Tour. And I have named her Patience. Yes, the reason for this one is because before I purchased my Alma BB, I was kind of going crazy and wanting to add a Louis Vuitton Alma in my collection, whether it be a BB or a PM size. But I was just wanting to find that perfect material for me. I really wanted, during that time, I'm still so crazy obsessed with the classic monogram canvas. But if I would be getting the classic monogram canvas, definitely she would have the vachetta over here and the vachetta top handle, and everything would be vachetta. Unfortunately, that is too much vachetta on one bag. So when I was actually reviewing some of the YouTube videos here, I have discovered this one, the My LV World Tour. So this collection was released a couple of years ago, and I thought, because as we know, once Louis Vuitton release a collection, then once it's sold, you can no longer order those bags. So I was so sad, and then what I did was I did a little bit research via LouisVuitton.com USA website, guys. So you can still do this up to today. So just check or just type in on the website My LV World Tour, and you would be able to see all the Louis Vuitton bags and SLGs that you can customize like this. So what I did was, of course, number 1, I have removed all the vachetta and changed it to the black leather trims. The interior of this one, so the regular monogram canvas, the interior would be the brown fabric lining, but this one, it was turned into red, so that was also my wish. And of course, I have added the very beautiful stickers over here. So I have maximized all the stickers that I could use on the collection. So normally you could use 1 or up to maximum of 6, so that I did 6. So 3 in front over here, and 3 at the back. And of course, after ordering this one, I pre-ordered this one December 2022, if I'm not mistaken. And I have received this one last week of January 2023. So I was thinking that the perfect name for her is Patience, because it would again remind me of that emotion that if you are going to wait for that perfect everything, then definitely everything would fall into place. That's why for me, when I have received this, I think she is the perfect Alma BB to be added in my collection. Right. And so the next 2 bags that I will be sharing to you, this is my birthday gift to myself last year. So technically, guys, they are non-luxury bags, but OMG, the quality can be compared to a luxury bag. So I have 2 bags here. The very first one is Sparkle. So this is Sparkle. So she is a crystal mesh bag. The material of this one is crystal mesh. So I have had this bag for almost 1 year now, and no crystals have fallen off. And the best part about these bags, so again, as mentioned, yes, they are non-luxury bags, but the quality is comparable to a luxury bag. It is the same material also with the crystals that Alexander Wang is using and Jimmy Choo. That's why when I purchased Sparkle, when I have opened this, I screamed and I said I was so happy. She is a little bit weighty, knowing that the crystals are made of glass. That is why I was so happy with this, and instantly I contacted the seller online here in the Philippines and I purchased the second version, which is Stardust. Yeah, so I have named this one Sparkle, as you can see, because she has a very beautiful sparkle. And I have named the second crystal bag as Stardust because the color of this one is gold. And guys, just look at her. Every time I am looking at this very sparkly bag, it really makes me smile. So this is the natural slouch, and the reason why this one is so puffy because I have a bag pillow inside. But if you would be removing the pillow, she has this very beautiful slouch. And another pro of this one, why I am in love with these 2 bags, yes, they look like small. They're a perfect dupe with the Bottega Jody bag, but guys, the amount of stuff that I could put inside with this one. So guys, please take note. I could put 2 phones. I have my 6S Plus. This is comparable to the Pro Max. I have my 11 Pro that I could put in. I could also put in my power bank, which is also the same size as my cell phones. And also I have everything, my makeup kit, my face powder, lipstick, lip gloss, keys. I have a wet tissue, everything. Then keys, everything would still be here and I would still have more space. That is why, for me, this is such a perfect crystal bag in my collection. And if you're going to ask me if I would be recommending these bags, definitely yes. If you could just get at least one. They come in many different colors. So silver, gold, green, pink, blue. I think they also have like rainbow colored right now. Get them right away. Just check with your sellers first, guys. What's the weight of this one, because that's one consideration. If for example they are lightweight, then don't get them because the crystals that you might be getting are the plastic ones, which would be the cheap crystal bags. So make sure that they are a little bit weighty, so you would know that the crystals that you would be purchasing are the heavy glass crystals. Alright, so now we are to the last bag that I have named in my collection. So this is one of my recent unboxings. To be honest, I think this is my first unboxing for 2024. And it is Christmas. Yeah, so this is my Louis Vuitton Alma PM that I purchased pre-love from a Japanese consignment store. I purchased this one, guys, December 24. So that is Christmas Eve. And I unboxed her, if I'm not mistaken, I think, was it January or February this year? And I was thinking of 2 names for her, either Tokyo or Christmas. Tokyo because I was thinking she is coming from Japan. And then it hit me, I think the perfect name for her would be Christmas because I got her Christmas Eve, so that I would always be reminded that I got her on Christmas Eve. And when I unboxed her, I was so surprised, I was so stunned, I was so happy because, guys, this one, the production date, if I'm not mistaken, is around 1996. So this is a vintage Alma PM, but OMG, when I got her, she is like in a pristine, almost brand new conditions with very minimal wear and tear. So this is the side, this is the back, this is the bottom part. So with the bottom part, that is only like the way that you know that this is a pre-love bag because of those things, but again, that doesn't bother me because they're underneath of the bag. And then on the interior, the gray suede-like fabric. And this one, I have purchased this one online. So this is a genuine leather bag tag. So I feel that this would make the bag look more modern. And to be honest, guys, I love Christmas. I really do love this bag. She has already traveled with me. If you have seen my Hong Kong vlogs, if not, guys, I'm going to link the playlist over here. Guys, you are missing a lot. If you haven't seen that, she was with me the entire time. I think the only two bags that I brought with me in Hong Kong was this one, Christmas, and of course my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26. And they are like my favorite. Of course, I just brought two bags, but they were like so easy to carry with me around in Hong Kong. So this is like my carry-on bag, boarding the plane. So everything, all the important essentials is here. So my phones, passport, wallet, money, everything is here. And then when we landed in Hong Kong, so there would be days like I wanted to carry an upscale bag or maybe a very quiet luxury bag that has very minimal logo, then definitely I would be carrying her, and I am so upset. So what I did, guys, also, I'm going to put an insert a photo and video here. I have attached a shoulder strap because with the Alma PM, she would still come with the D-rings on both sides. So if you have any chain or bag strap in your collection, you could add it here and you are able to wear this one as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. But as a tip, guys, you could, yes, like what I mentioned, you could wear this one as a crossbody. However, since this is a little bit big, so wearing this one as a crossbody, it just looks a little bit bulky and clunky. So, but if that doesn't bother you, you could still do it. But for me, I would normally carry this one. I love carrying this, guys, to be honest. I love carrying her as a top handle. Every time that I'm carrying this and I would see myself in a mirror, or maybe even carrying her like this, toting her like this, because sometimes I would get tired, I would look at myself and say, oh my god, this bag really looks so chic. The size is perfect. So as again, comparison, so Alma BB, I have my Alma PM. Love, love, love Christmas, and I'm so happy that finally I was able to add a PM size in a material that I really, really love. Quiet luxury, looks very chic. The size is perfect for me to carry all the things that I need and more, and classic, would never go out of style. I am in love with Christmas. So the last bag in my collection that I fell in love at first sight, and I have named her. Do you have any guesses? So this is my most recent bag purchase in my collection, and I got her in Hong Kong, and it is my Coach Soft Tabby Multi-Messenger bag. Yes, so the name of this one, so I have decided to name her HK so that I would be reminded that I purchased this one during my recent travel in Hong Kong, the city that again I fell in love all over again. I love the touristy spot. I love, of course, the shopping destination. Hong Kong has a total of 3 outlet malls. Yes, and they are giant outlet malls, guys. I'm sure you have seen all the shopping episodes during our Hong Kong vlog, but if not, again, linking the playlist here. Definitely you need to see this one. So going back to the bag, so I named her HK because I wanted to be reminded of that amazing perfect trip that we have in Hong Kong last February. So this is her. So this is different from the regular Tabby bags, the Tabby 26, but they are of the same size. The difference is this is a menswear bag. So I purchased this one. This is not an outlet design, guys. I'm pretty sure everyone knows that the Tabby 26 are not designed for outlet, but luckily when I visited the men's section, because they're on different location of the mall, so I didn't know that existed, and normally this was not on display. So they have this cabinet that they have stocks on top, and then there are like pull-out cabinets. So normally in outlets, that's what I would normally do, is I would be asking permission. Okay, they check these things over here, the pull-out cabinets, and when I have pulled out the cabinet, she appeared in front of me. And honestly, guys, when I have seen her, I was literally shaking. Like, Oh my god, I couldn't believe my eyes. This tabby bag is perfect for me. You know, the material of this one is the very beautiful grain cow leather. If I could just show it to you, as you can see. My god, guys. The leather is so beautiful. I feel that it is very hard wearing and scratch resistant. And the C logo here is covered in leather as well, smooth leather. So this is the side. So this is one difference with the tabby. As you can see, it has two separate compartments, and then another difference at the back. She doesn't have the back pocket, but she had this slot over here because you could wear this one multi-way. So you could wear her actually as a belt bag or as a bum bag like this. I've shown you on the unboxing. I'm going to link it on the description box below. Carry her as a top handle, and then carry her on the crook of your arm like this. And she would come with two straps. So the leather one is for the belt bag or the bum bag, and of course the canvas one is for you to be able to crossbody. So this is the inside, guys. The inside, so compartment here in front, then this is the main compartment. We have zippered compartment, and then we have here compartment at the back, and this is where I have kept, you know, the ribbons, care cards, everything, the receipts. So everything is here. And of course the hardware of this one is the gunmetal hardware over here. And then the way I love carrying this one is I would be attaching a blue puff. I'm going to put a photo here. And then normally, guys, again, just like with my Alma, I'm not really sure what is with this bag, but instead of carrying her as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody, I love carrying her as a top handle like this. The other difference with the women's wear Coach Tabby 26, the handle of this one is not, you cannot wear this one. You can wear it, but it's so, like, it doesn't have enough space. But with the women's Coach Tabby, I think the drop is a little bit better, but I like it this way. I think this is the same as the new Fendi Baguette right now. And as you can see here, there are no openings on the side, so like even if you shake, nothing would fall off. Guys, definitely I love this one. I'm so happy that I was able to find HK in our Hong Kong travel. Definitely I would be reminded every time that I would be seeing this of such amazing and wonderful experience that we have at Hong Kong. Did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, again, I'm tagging everyone here. This is an open invitation. So if you are a YouTuber, kindly check your name on the description box below. If it's not there, guys, I'm also inviting you to do this tag video. Also, if you are a subby of mine and you would like to share the bags in your collection that you have named, I would love to hear from each and every one of you. Kindly list it on the description box below. If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. I'm inviting you all to please join me on our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4 to 5K subby this year. Also, please do like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!